Subaru Impreza, 105,000 kilometers on the odometer. Yep, this is Impreza, yeah. Old school. Problem is,
It means I need to clean my entire running playlist.
You see that?
No, 28 more times. Great.
yeah, the radiator is starting to leak. So we're gonna replace that.
You can even listen to the extended works of Beethoven and Chopin and
Okay, I grab a torch here for you to check where the leak is coming from. Yeah, it's starting to leak out. Fortunately, this one is plastic. Over time, it's gonna leak. This is just a normal wear and tear on every single car with the plastic radiator. So we're gonna replace that. Let's get it going. Okay, we gotta take off this cover so that we could drain the coolant.
Remember the first time that I felt you? No, I couldn't ever feel my tequila. 'Cause it won't be the same until we come down.
Okay, let's drain it from here. Let's take it off, people. Can you see that? That's coolant. Of course, that's coolant. We just need to be careful because I don't want that coolant to splash all over me. It's not gonna be good. Coolant is out. Drain it. And since we were able to fully drain the coolant, let's start removing the hose. Create some space for us to remove. I think the plan is we're gonna take off the radiator together with the fan itself. Yep, that's the plan. This one first.
you're right home listening to the soothing sounds of true crime, history, or comedy shows. Yeah, that's this.
Wow, that is hard. Hard ass. Tapos na yan, brother. Let's crack. Okay, another one. Crack it. We already unplugged the connector for the fan. Yeah, there's two fan, one for the engine and one for the condenser. So now we just need to pull this up and it's gonna come off. Just be gentle, make sure we're not hitting anything. And that's it. The radiator is out together with the fan and coolant reservoir. So we put it side by side. They are identical. The only difference that I'm seeing is this one has a 2 hole. This one is supposedly for the cooler of the transmission fluid. So we don't need that. That's okay. Now we gotta transfer this fan on the other side. Yep, that is smooth. You can see there. Yep. Then new radiator is ready to install. So as much as possible, do not damage this one, okay? so it's gonna look as professional. Now we just need to be gentle to slide it going down there. And that's it. Let's try it. Okay. Okay. Gentle. Gentle. We need to be gentle. Okay. That's it. Yeah. Okay. Make sure we're not gonna damage anything. Look, for the hoses, especially this hose is like a rubber already. Like a plastic rubber. It's no good. This one needs to be changed. This is the hose for the power steering. I can feel it. Look at that. That's hard. So there's two holes underneath. In order for this radiator to sit properly, we need to make sure it's sealing properly. Otherwise, you'll be having some issues. It could stretch the wiring for the fan. It could stretch as well the hose for the radiator. So you gotta do this one properly. This radiator is already sealing properly. Well, nothing special here. All you have to do is put the bracket, connect the fan connector, put back the hose, bleed the cooling system. Okay, while it's out, let's test that thermostat. Make sure it's opening and closing. Thermostat, let's see if it's functional. Yup, thermostat is closing and opening. Let's put it back on that Subaru. Going back, so we already fill up the coolant. Now we need to make it run. Monitor the temperature. Make sure everything is on the right track. And we need to make sure there's no more air inside the radiator or cooling system. And that's it. That's how you replace a leaking radiator on a Subaru Impreza.